guys, my name is Kelly. Today I'm going to be sharing what sold in March. I resell thrifted clothing online. I'm going to be sharing what sold on Poshmark, Mercari, and possibly eBay. I can't remember if I sold anything on there. If you like, comment, subscribe, that means a lot to me. I'm still a really small channel and every interaction helps me grow. So while I'm talking, you can go do those things if you want to. Also, you could follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is rebel_rose_co. I will have all my links down below. Before I get started, I do want to share one thing. If you don't care, then you can just fast forward like a minute and get on to the sales. But if you want to learn how to get $30 for free, you can keep watching. So this is not sponsored. I'm just sharing like my own personal link. So there's this website called Rakuten and you get cash back on everything, like forever. It's kind of like, if you guys know what honey is, it's that Chrome installation. It pops up with codes every time you're going to buy something so that you can get it for cheaper. Well, this is sort of the same thing, except you get cash back, and it includes like a million different sites, and there's different cashback amounts every day. Sometimes they do double and triple cashback amounts. Like, you know, I use it for like when I buy stuff on Amazon or on Walmart or wherever. Right now they're doing a promo where if you use my link and you download the Chrome installation and you spend $30, it can just on something you're already gonna buy, they give you $30 back, and then you just go and request a check from them. So you're getting $30 for free. And then every single time you go to buy something, it'll pop up. You don't have to remember to use it. It'll just automatically pop up, and then you can get cash back. So yeah, it's a super easy way to get $30 for free. It takes just a few minutes to install. Super easy. You get 30 bucks free and you get cash back forever. My link is down below, and yeah, I'm not sponsored by them or anything. This is just I use this for all my business purchases, all my personal purchases. It's just a great way to get cash back, and you can also combine it with honey so you can get cash back and use promo codes. So yeah, I just wanted to share that really quick before I get into my sales. I need to first share what's sold on Poshmark. If I'm looking down, it's because my computer is down here. So this is not going to be in any particular order, and this is not all my sales, of course. This is just some of my higher sales, which honestly, compared to some resellers, are not that high, but I like sharing them. So I sold a Masuk black acrylic tank top. It sold for $40. I had it listed for a very long time. This brand is sort of like a mature career wear brand, and it has like a very specific audience. It really reminds me of the brand Ming Wang, because I found a tank by them and it's like the same like acrylic material, same styles, just it has like a specific following. So this did sit for a really long time, but it sold for $40, and selling a tank top for $40 is pretty good in my opinion. Okay, this was my favorite sale this month, I think. This was in my most recent haul. I will link it up here. It was Anthropologie Vicky Chu Artsy Pajama Lounge Pants. So the tag said it features the work of Vicky Chu, and I looked it up. I hope I'm saying that name right. And I looked it up and it was sold on Anthropologie. They're just these pajama pants with a bunch of artwork. It had the ocean, starfish, a map with like a bunch of streets, fashion, cats, Parisian buildings, cakes, drinks, cameras, flowers. I'll insert like a couple pictures. It had like so many different random things illustrated on it. I paid less than $5 for this. I don't remember off the top of my head, but I sold it for $38, and it sold, I want to say within 3 days of listing it. So I would definitely pick this up again. I've never heard of Vicky Chu, but if I find another item by her, I will definitely pick it up again. Selling pajama pants for 38 bucks is pretty good for me. All right, this next item is a true testament to relisting. I have had this listed for a really long time, and I kept lowering and lowering, sending offers to likers, lowering on closet clear out days, and I had it down to $11, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna relist this. I relisted it, and then I did one offer to likers, and it sold right away, like within a day. So it was Bongo high-rise embroidered Bermuda vintage shorts. It was just this vintage pair of Bermuda shorts, and they had this embroidery. I didn't even really know how to describe it on the side. It was kind of floral, kind of just abstract looking. And yeah, Bongo I feel like is a good like vintage Y2K brand that people like. I don't know if it's like actually vintage, but it's definitely like Y2K. So I sold these for $36. Super happy with that. I should have relisted them sooner. All right, next is a Vera Wang pink chiffon ruffle neck maxi bridesmaid dress. I hauled this I can't remember if it was in a thrift with me. It was a little while ago in one of my thrift hauls, but please feel free to check out any of my other videos. That would mean a lot to me. And if you watched the whole thing, commented, subscribed, liked, I'm really trying to get monetized and I need a little bit more growing on my channel before I can do that. So if you did any of those things, that really means a lot to me. Yeah, this was Vera Wang. I never found Vera Wang. I always find simply Vera Wang. And it was a really pretty dress. It was just, yeah, pink chiffon. It had a ruffled neckline. It did sit for a little while because I don't know if people are really buying bridesmaid dresses right now, but it finally sold for $47, so I was very happy with that sale. All right, this next item, Carly Jean Los Angeles Floral Button-Down Romper. This is definitely a Bolo brand. This item, it kept sitting in my death pile and I kept not listing it. I'm not sure why. I have two other items listed by this brand, a very basic tank top and a sweatshirt. They both have had a ton of likes, neither have sold, but on Poshmark and Mercari, they both have been getting a ton of likes. So this one sold within one day when I listed it, so I love those fast sales. It was, yeah, just a black floral button-down romper. It was in really good condition, super cute. I think the stock photos definitely helped sell it, and it sold for $29. So this was a great sale, and if I find Carly Jean again, I will definitely pick it up. Okay, I sold a bundle for $85. So I did sell that Patagonia Los Gatos gray fuzzy zip up vest. I also realized that I forgot the word zip, so I just put fuzzy up vest. I sold that in a bundle with a few other things like a Eileen Fisher striped tank top, a Madewell swing dress, a couple other smaller items, and I sold the whole bundle for $85. I sold these Donald J. Pliner Dolly suede leather buckled ankle boots. I don't know why that was like a tongue twister. I wanted more for these, and I know this can be a really good brand, but when I looked up comps, the style didn't seem to do super good. I had it listed pretty high at first, but they are pretty big, bulky boots, so once I got an offer for $25, I accepted, and they also did have somewhere. I sold an LaFleur navy blue Escudo shift career style dress with pockets. I just thrifted this in one of my last videos. I think it was like 2 or 3 thrift with me videos, or 2 or 3 thrift haul videos ago, and it took me a long time to list it, but once I did, it sold really quickly. I had found 2 LaFleur dresses at the same time. That's the only time I've ever found that brand. The style name was Scuto. It was just a really nice shift dress. It had pockets. It sold for $40, and it sold within a couple days. I'm not sure quite exactly. Okay, this was a brand that I had never heard of before, and then I listed it. They sat for a very long time, but they did sell for $40. It's Teresia M, and they were leather suede sandals. They were also a size 5, which is very small, so that could also be a reason why they sat. But I'd never heard of Teresia M, and then the tag also said Fits and the Guena, and I didn't know if Fits and the Guena meant that was the style name. I wasn't able to find much about these shoes online, so I just listed them. They were leather suede sandals. I put all the information that I could in them. I kind of guessed on a price, and they finally sold for $40, which I think is pretty good. All right, Robert Graham 100% silk Coraline artsy high-waisted shorts. I wanted a little more for these, but they were sitting for like literally a year, and I was thinking about sending them in to something. I don't know if the Real takes that brand, but I got an offer for $28, and it looks like kind of a skirt, but it's shorts and they're 100% silk. It's a very like abstract print, and I was happy to let them go for $28. Genuine leather cream Coach hobo shoulder bag. I don't know a lot about Coach. I don't pick it up that often. The style name was Penelope/Penny. It was a genuine leather off-white cream hobo shoulder bag. It did have a little bit of wear. It had some spots, and it sold for $38. Super happy with that. I don't sell a whole lot of bags. I don't know much about them, honestly. I sold these Tevas. It was Teva adjustable Vera sandals. The style name is Vera. I kind of wish I'd gotten more for these, but they've been sitting, and I got an offer for $25, so I said, whatever, that is fine. But they were in really good condition. I could have held out and got a little more, but sales have been pretty slow, so I'm trying to keep things moving. Okay, next is a 100% silk black halo white strapless draped dress. Okay, the brand was Black Halo. It was a white strapless dress, and it was satin and a satin sash, and then the other part was chiffon, and it was all silk. It did have a little bit of wear, and it had a small spot. It was made in the USA, and I could not find a stock photo of it, and by itself, the dress just didn't do it justice. It didn't fit me, so I couldn't model it. It was one of these dresses where if I had had a stock photo and it like looked good on a model, I probably could have gotten double than just showing it, because my pictures did not do this dress justice. But I got an offer for $28 and I accepted. I could have gotten more than that. Sold a pair of Theory black skinny trouser pants for $20. Theory is very hit or miss. I've sold some items for a ton, some items for not very much, but $20, my cost of goods was very low, so that was fine with me. Okay, I've never sold redone before. This is my first find. It was a redone. It was originally $120 black 1960s t-shirt bodysuit, size medium. Super cute. I got an offer for $28 and I accepted. Okay, a Ralph Lauren genuine leather houndstooth doctor's bag vintage. Yeah, it was just a genuine leather, looked like a doctor's bag, had a houndstooth print. It was super cute. I sold it for $30 and I was really happy because this bag was very bulky. That's all I'm going to share for Poshmark. I did sell a lot of other things. They were mostly under $20 and it's just not ones that I really want to mention at the moment. But I'm going to share a couple from Mercari, and then I'll check eBay. I can't remember if there was any or not, but I will share that. If you're still watching, that means a lot to me. Please like, comment, subscribe, and keep watching to see what's sold on Mercari. So I sold this Victoria's Secret blue floral and lace, I can never say this word, chemise night slip dress, and it was pretty cute. It had a ton of likes on every platform, but no one was buying it. And then I got an offer for $20 and I accepted it. It was a very like Y2K style. And then I sold this new with tags $125 playground tropical floral yoga pants. I purchased these during the red tag sale at Marshall's, I believe. I will link a video up here. I can't guarantee this is the exact video because I have more than one, but I paid $10 for these. They retailed for $125 and unfortunately it only sold for $28, so I did make a profit, but I probably would not buy these again for $10. Next is Livy Active black athletic shorts with pockets and built-in spandex shorts. So the brand is Livy Active, and that is the athletic brand by Lane Bryant. This had a ton of views, or had a ton of likes on Poshmark and Mercari, and I kept relisting it. It wasn't selling, but it did finally sell for $25, and I was very happy with that sale. I would definitely pick this brand up again. I sold it one other time, and it seems to get a lot of interest. Next was pink Victoria's Secret sequin capri leggings. These were very Y2K style, definitely what I would have worn in high school. They were like knee length to maybe over the knee length, depending on your height. Black leggings from Victoria's Secret, and they had that fold over waist, and they said love pink. Very, very Y2K style. They sold for $22. Then I sold a Romeo and Juliet couture. I can never say that word. Gray layered asymmetrical skirt. This, it had like raw fringe hems, so I don't know, I felt like it wasn't gonna sell. This brand can do well. It does retail for a lot. It doesn't sell super good on Poshmark, but sometimes it can do really good on Thredup. It sold for $22 for me, and I was really happy with that. Okay, I'm gonna skip over a couple of these because they're pretty small. I sold a James Purse Los Angeles Supima cotton slub v-neck top. It had some discoloration at the armpits, like it was very minor, but it still sold for $24. James Purse is a very nice brand. Next was a Fabletics Primrose Gray Blazer. It sold for $24. Super happy with that. This didn't really get a lot of attention, even though Fabletics is a pretty good brand depending on the piece that you find. So one sale that I had on eBay was this Leonor Silva soft Etain dress with lace collar. This was sold at Anthropologie. The brand was Leonor Silva. The style name was Etain. It was this crazy soft, almost like chenille dress, and it had a white Peter Pan collar. It was very like businessy, but also super cute. I thought this was so cute, and I had it listed on all my platforms. I kept relisting it, and at some points it had gotten down really low, but I finally sold it for $50 and then shipping also. So I was really happy with this sale. I think $50 was really good because I did not spend very much money on this dress. All right, so that is all I'm going to share today. If you watch this whole video, that means a lot to me, and I will see you next time. Bye.